The task is to classify bottles into two classes, defective bottles, non-defective bottles. Follow these steps to get started. Log into Reli-UI and create a new session. We will start by creating a pipeline. Add the source image set and classification blocks. Navigate to the gallery page and import the bottle images. Add annotation set name and states to begin the annotation process. Use the whole image tool to annotate the images. Select the state from the list. Alternatively, you can import annotated dataset. Click on Import Annotated Dataset and choose the Label Me format. Select the JSON files, then click Open. Double-click the folder to review the imported annotations. Navigate to the training page and click Start New. For this task, choose Classification. Select the dataset, split into training and test sets. Assign a model name. Load the default training parameters. Set the epoch value to 200 for this use case. Once the synchronization of data is complete, click Start Training. Monitor the training progress. As the model loss decreases, the model accuracy will increase. Once training is finished, check the results on the Evaluation tab. Navigate to the Pipeline Editor page, select an input data source and trained classification model. Run your pipeline using the Execute button at the top. The prediction list will display labels and precision values for each image on the right. Take full control. Own your data. Take full control.